Good morning, everyone. My name is Mikhail Avadi, and I am the VP of Product and Marketing here at Voxie. And I'm really excited to announce to you that as of today, 52.1% of the copy on the Voxie website is generated by AI. Everything highlighted in green is what the AI generated, and everything not highlighted is where we came in and kind of helped it a little bit. We used OpenAI's GPT3 model, and GPT3 stands for Generative Pre-Training Transformer. It's their third gen, and it's the largest. They use over 175 billion parameters, and it's the largest model ever created. So let me show you a little bit about how we did this. We had whole sections written out using GPT-3, while in the header, we relied more on our team. How did we do that? So let's go ahead and see what it would look like. I'll move this over here. All right. Once again, give it the same type of prompt here. These are called prompts. And I'm going to increase the response length here. Most important part for this exercise is going to be temperature. And temperature determines the probability of the next token. And for an oversimplified version, think of every word as a token. Then the model tries to figure out what is the highest probability of the next word. A high temperature adds a randomness. So sometimes they'll choose something that's a lower probability, and that's what allows it to get creative, right? That's the version of creativity in AI. So let's go ahead and click submit. And there we go. We start building out different titles. I hope by this point you're saying wow, because at this point I was saying wow, and I realized, wow, marketing is going to be different. All right, so how about a fun one? For this example, we're going to create a conversation between Alexander Graham Bell, and Dr. Dre talking about how awesome Voxie is. Now, all I did here was to give it one line about Voxie and one line about who Alexander Graham Bell is. And now, let's see the conversation unfold. Well, thank you, Dr. Dre. So now, we have Alexander Graham Bell arguing with Dr. Dre about how awesome Voxie is. Now, I know this is not relevant, this is a fun example, and you're probably thinking to yourself, what's next for Voxie? Well, next for Voxie is helping our customers create more engaging and amazing conversations. We found that conversations have over doubled the engagement of your typical text message that has a promotion. Right? You can still have promotion, but if you make it more conversational and engaging to the person and your brand, you're going to have significantly higher results. And you're able to drive more revenue that way. So if you want to learn more, just head over to Voxie.com and click the Learn More button, and you'll soon start seeing prompts inside the Voxie platform to help you create text messaging. Now, no other marketing platform has this yet, and we're excited to beta it soon. Thanks. Have a great day.